When should you get Medicare with employer coverage? Have you ever wondered when it's the right time to enroll in Medicare if you already have employer coverage? This is a common question, and understanding the details can help you make the best choice for your healthcare needs. First, let's talk about the basics. Medicare is divided into different parts. Medicare Part A is hospital insurance and is usually premium-free for most people when they turn 65. On the other hand, Medicare Part B is medical insurance and requires a monthly premium. Your decision to enroll in Part B often depends on your employer's health plan. Now, the size of your employer plays a key role in determining when you should enroll. If your employer has fewer than 20 employees, Medicare becomes the primary payer. This means you should enroll in both Medicare Part A and Part B when you first become eligible at age 65. This helps avoid gaps in coverage and potential late enrollment penalties. If your employer has 20 or more employees, the situation changes. In this case, your employer's health plan is the primary payer, and Medicare is secondary. You can usually delay enrolling in Medicare Part B without facing penalties while you are still covered by the employer plan. If you choose to delay Part B because you have coverage from a large employer, you qualify for a special enrollment period. This special enrollment period allows you to sign up for Part B anytime while you are still working or within 8 months after your employment or employer coverage ends, whichever comes first. It is also important to check with your employer's benefits administrator. They can provide specific information on how your employer plan coordinates with Medicare. Additionally, confirm your Medicare enrollment options with the Social Security Administration to avoid any penalties. If you lose your employer coverage or decide to retire, make sure to enroll in Medicare Part B promptly during your special enrollment period. This will help you maintain continuous coverage and avoid late enrollment penalties. Lastly, keep in mind that COBRA coverage is not considered current employment coverage for Medicare purposes. If you're relying on COBRA instead of enrolling in Medicare when you first become eligible, you may face lifelong late enrollment penalties. So, if you have employer coverage through a large employer, you can delay Medicare Part B enrollment while working without penalty. If your employer is small, you should enroll in both Medicare Parts A and B when first eligible. Always coordinate with your employer and the Social Security Administration to make the best decisions based on your situation.